Hi guys, today I'll be doing for you some Jamaican fried chicken. I have some seasoning here, so I've already washed, cut the chicken, so I've washed with vinegar and lime, and I'm ready to season now. So guys, I'm adding some black pepper, I've added some ground pimento, now I'm going to add some all-purpose, some chicken seasoning, onion, garlic. I'm adding 4 cloves of garlic. And when I'm going to fry my chicken, I'm going to also add some garlic to the oil. I'm going to be adding a little olive oil just to let my chicken marinate quickly. I'm going to be stirring all the seasoning together and the chicken. If the chicken needs a little more seasoning, you can add gradually. I like to use my hand with the chicken because I don't like the smell of the seasoning on my hand. I'm adding a little more all-purpose to my chicken. Guys, I'm going to cover my chicken now and I'm going to let it marinate for 15 minutes. Alright guys, so my chicken is already marinated. So here I have some flour. So to my flour I've added some black pepper and some chicken seasoning just for flavoring. So now I'm going to be adding my chicken pieces to the flour. Over here, I've already added a pepper, 2 peppers and some garlic paste which I've crushed just for flavor before I add the chicken. So here I'm shaking my flour with my chicken inside just to let everything get coated properly. And then now once the oil is hot, I'm going to be adding my chicken to the oil. So now I'm going to be adding my chicken to the oil. Alright guys, so I've added the chicken to the pot. So now I'm going to leave the chicken to brown on each side. So as it brown, I'm going to be changing alternatively and making sure that the chicken is soaked properly. So I'm going to cover my pot and leave the chicken to brown. My chicken, one side is already browned, so I am going to turn. So I'll be turning, and while I'm turning, I will be sticking the chicken. The reason being because sometimes you fry the chicken and it's not soaked properly. So I stick the chicken with the fork so that the oil can penetrate the chicken and the chicken is fried throughout. So you can notice this side is golden brown. Now guys, the chicken is now golden brown and it's ready, so I'm going to be taking them out now. So I'm putting them on paper towel so that the excess oil can drain out.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, so this is my Jamaican French fried chicken. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm going to enjoy my fried chicken now. Alright guys, so this is the finished product of my fried chicken. I'm having it with some roast fried breadfruit and a few pegs of avocado. Pear, as we Jamaican call it.